just what to do for those, says baby Tweety. Sylvester's going to need a really big glass of water, says baby Tweety, hurrying over to the sink. Stand on the chair and drink it all up. That's the only way to get rid of those nasty hiccups. Baby Sylvester still has the hiccups. I saw this in a book, says baby Bugs. All you have to do is take 5 deep breaths into a brown paper bag. Phew, says baby Sylvester. I think, that did it. Nope, says baby Sylvester. That didn't work at all. I know, says baby Daffy. It's time to try my feather duster tickler trick. Say goodbye to those hiccups, Sylvester. Tickle. Bye-bye, hiccups, says baby Sylvester. Maybe what you need is a breath of fresh air, says baby Bugs. Let's go to the park. Baby Sylvester hiccups all the way there. Sylvester, the first thing you should do is hang upside down on the jungle gym, says baby Tweety. That usually works for my hiccups. Do you think it's working? Asks baby Daffy. Let's try the slide, says baby Bugs. Maybe the wind will blow the hiccups away. You go first, Sylvester. Gosh, cries baby Sylvester. This is fun.
How you feeling, Joss? Better? Huh? You feel a little
We've
better?
tried everything, says baby Daffy. I give up. Well, says baby Tweety, I have one more idea. Suddenly, baby Taz pops out of the bushes with a great big roar. Rah! That should scare the hiccups right out of him, says baby Bugs. Gee, says baby Tweety, I didn't hear any hiccuping. It's worked, said baby Daffy. I wouldn't be so sure about that, says baby Bugs. Listen. Does anybody hear snoring? Asks baby